Code walkthrough for the chat program. I'm going to start with the server and just here in main, get all of our imports, do a quick usage if there are any number of arguments different than 2. And we start a quick dictionary to store the list of clients that are going to connect to our server, and then we start up our server socket, TCP IP socket. Just grab the host name from that socket and bind it, and then we start listening for clients. We don't know how many we're going to have, so let's say 100, and then we start a loop to just start accepting those requests from clients. We try and put them in a socket and then block for the name that the client's going to send us, and then put that name in the dictionary along with the connection itself, and then start a thread to start listening for messages from that client. And that's that. So that client thread code is here. Basically just loop, block, listen for messages, print them out with the name of the sender, that prints it on the server, and then send it to everyone else who is not the sender. If a client is closed, or if a connection isn't made, then we just close that connection and remove them from the list of connections so that we stop trying to send them things. And then we stop. That's all for the server. Now let's take a look at the client. A lot of the code is exactly the same. We connect here instead of waiting for connections. Then we type in our name and send it to the server. And then we start a thread to start sending messages. And then we use this thread to receive messages. Basically, exact same code, just block till receive. If there's no connection, shut it down. And then the sender code for the sending thread, very simple, just read from standard input, send it, read from standard input. If it ever stops working, shut the thing down. And it works great. I'm just going to run the tests now, so if that's all you need from me, you can stop watching. There they go. Bada bing, bada boom, as they say. That's all, folks.